I personally believe na it's really a bad move for Dan Fernandez na ginawa niya to ang hearing na to because it exposes everything about him. Firstly, he showed to the Filipino people na he doesn't know what he's talking about. The thing that he is about to legislate is something that he has knowledge about. So that alone, it's very telling ba na we have this kind of congressman na walang alam. What do we expect from him, by the way, di ba? Wala naman talaga siya. And tapos, hindi niya na-realize ang fact na the reason as to why he won sa position niya ngayon, it's because of his freedom of speech. His freedom of speech allowed him to, go bold, di ba? Mag-artista. And that's freedom of speech. That's, di ba? Expression, rather. It allowed him to do that. So nakilala siya, nagkaroon siya ng pangalan. Now, he won the election. So ngayon, gusto balikan ni Dan Fernandez yung mga tao who are only exercising their freedom of speech and expression. So it's really a bad move for Dan Fernandez na ginawa niya to ang TRICOM hearing na to. Yes.
This is a criticism ha, sa ano niya. Ay, oo. Criticism, mahirapan kasi ako magtagalog pa. Kritisismo ko to kay Dan Fernandez ha, bago siya magaling sa Kongreso, dapat alamin niya ang difference ng P and F. Diba? I am not, hindi ko inaatake yung niya, pagkatao niya. Inaatake yung performance niya. Because kung hindi mo nga alam yung basic na bagay, how much more ang ibang bagay. Kaya nagkaletse-letse ang Pilipinas ngayon dahil marami tayong mga politiko na hindi nga alam yung pinaggagawa nila. So yun, Tagalog yun Dan, para maintindihan mo.